Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm Health. My name is Sathish. In this video, I will guide you some beginner-friendly HIIT workout that you can do at home without any equipments. We are going to do 10 movements for 30 seconds each and 15 seconds break in between. Let's start with first movement.
Let's start with our first exercise, jumping jacks. Jump your feet out and bring your hands together overhead. Let's start for 30 seconds. Keep moving with me. If you need a lower impact option, simply step out, step in instead of jumping. Keep your chest up, stay light on your feet and breathe steadily. This is a great full body warm-up that gets your heart rate up and starts burning calories. You're doing great. Keep going. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop. Awesome job. Take a few deep breaths. Now we are moving on to our next exercise, Inchworm Walk. Bend forward. Place your palms on the floor, walk your hands out into a plank, then walk them back and stand up tall. We'll do this for 30 seconds. Get ready, let's go. Walk your hands out, hold a strong plank and walk them back. Stand up nice and tall. This exercise works your hamstrings, glutes, back, shoulders and core. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Nice and controlled. You're doing great. Just one more rep. 3, 2, 1, stop. Awesome work. You've completed your jumping jacks and inchworm walk. Take a deep breath because we are about to add a little more intensity with our next exercise, a plyometric movement. Now it's time to add some power with jump squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Sit back into a squat. Then explode up into a jump. If jumping feels too intense, simply do regular squats. We'll do this for 30 seconds. Let's go. Squat down, jump up and land softly. Keep your chest up, core tight and knees in line with your toes. This exercise targets your quads, glutes and legs while building strength and explosive power. Keep going, you've got this. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop. Excellent work. Catch your breath and get ready for the next exercise. Our next exercise is alternating lunges. Step one leg forward, lower into a lunge, then step back and switch sides. Keep your chest up, your core tight and your back straight. Get ready, let's go. Step forward, lower down and switch. Move with control. I'll show you from the side so you can follow my form. We're not jumping here because we've already challenged our legs with jump squats. Focus on your form and feel the work in your quads, glutes and hamstrings. Keep breathing and stay balanced. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1, stop. Awesome work. Take a deep breath and get ready for the next exercise. Now let's get down on the floor for our next exercise, knee push-ups. This is a beginner-friendly version of the regular push-up. Start with your knees on the floor, hands just wider than shoulder width apart, and keep your body in a straight line from your head to your knees. We'll do as many reps as we can in 30 seconds. Let's go. Lower your chest toward the floor, then push back up. Breathe out as you push up. Keep your elbows slightly close to your body, not flaring out too much. Engage your core and avoid letting your hips drop. Keep moving with control. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1, stop. Excellent work. Stay on the floor. We're moving straight into the next exercise. Our next exercise, step climbers. Start in a strong plank position. Now bring one knee toward your chest, place it back and switch sides. Move slowly and with control. Ready? Let's go. Bring the knee in and switch. Keep your core tight and your back flat. Breathe steadily and stay in control. If you want more of a challenge, pick up the pace and do mountain climbers. Otherwise, keep stepping one leg at a time. This movement strengthens your core, shoulders, arms and back while improving stability. 3, 2, 1, stop. Awesome work. Take 15 seconds to recover, catch your breath and get ready for the next exercise. Great work so far. Now we are back to a standing exercise, Predator Jacks. This is a powerful variation of the jumping jack. Jump your feet out into a partial squat while opening your arms wide, then jump back to the starting position. Ready? Let's go. Stay light on your feet. Squat slightly as you jump out, then come back in. Keep your chest up, core tight, and breathe out with every rep. This exercise gets your heart rate up while strengthening your legs and glutes. Keep going, you've got this. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop. Excellent job. Catch your breath, take a quick recovery, and get ready for the next exercise. Our next exercise is the Icky Shuffle. Move side to side with quick, light steps. Start slow to learn the movement, then gradually increase your speed. This is a great movement to improve your speed, coordination, agility, and athletic performance. Ready? Let's go. Quick feet. Stay light on your toes. Keep moving side to side and lift your knees slightly with each step. Now pick up the pace. Keep your body relaxed and your movements quick. You're doing great. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop. Fantastic work. Catch your breath and get ready for the next exercise. Now it's time to train your core with Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly and twist from side to side. For an easier option, keep your heels on the floor. For more of a challenge, lift your feet off the ground. Ready? Let's go. Twist from side to side. Keep your chest up, core tight and move with control. Try not to move your head too much. Rotate through your torso. Keep breathing. You're almost there. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Fantastic job. One exercise left. Let's finish strong. Here we go. Our final exercise. Crunches. We've got 30 seconds. Let's finish strong. Lie on your back with your lower back pressed into the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head. Keep a small gap between your chin and your chest. Then lift your shoulders off the floor. Breathe out as you crunch up and lower back down with control. Let's go. Slow and controlled. Focus on squeezing your abs with every rep. Quality is more important than speed. Keep breathing and stay strong. You should start to feel your core working. That's exactly what we want. Come on, you're almost there. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop. Amazing job. You made it through all 10 exercises. Take a deep breath, grab some water, and be proud of yourself for finishing today's workout. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more workouts. See you in the next one.